welding process, a metal joining process. So in your daily life routines, you have seen many welded components. If you look around yourself, you will find the grills of window. These are manufactured by welding, automobile body, silencers, structures, bridges, shipbuilding. All these things are manufactured. With the welding, we can develop a leak-proof joint. For example, boiler. We can manufacture a very good leak-proof joint with the help of the metal joining process. It is a permanent joining process. So the question came into the mind, what is welding? So the process of joining similar or dissimilar metals by the application of heat is called welding. We can further refine this definition as a localized coalescence. Coalescence means a joint, a localized coalescence of metal wherein coalescence is produced by heating to suitable temperatures. Normally this temperature range is above melting temperature range, with or without the application of pressure and with or without the use of filler metal. The filler metal has melting point approximately same as the base metal. The filler metal property is similar. Filler metal property and chemical composition is similar to the base metal. So we can define welding as a localized coalescence of metal wherein coalescence is produced by heating to suitable temperatures with or without the application of pressure and with or without the use of filler metal. The filler metal has melting point approximately the same as the base metals, and in majority of cases its chemical composition and mechanical properties are also similar to the base metal. The welded joint has a mechanical strength similar to the parent material. Let's see the history of welding. The welding, one of the oldest manufacturing process is forging process, metal forming process, and welding was derived from the forging process. So before 3000 years and more years ago, welding was done by hammering hot or cold metals to obtain a forge weld by molecular diffusion. So during that ancient time, people are manufacturing sword, coins and other items with the help of forge welding process. In India, welding was used in the construction of the iron pillar of Delhi, which was erected about 310 AD. So the rise of industrialization, modern welding began to take shape during the early 19th century. First time Humphrey Cousins and Edmund Davy discovered a colorless gas, acetylene. Acetylene, when combined with the oxygen, was able to weld and cut through metals. Nowadays this method is known as oxy-fuel welding. So it is a kind of gas welding process. Gradually, as the electricity was invented, other welding techniques were developed during the late 19th centuries like resistance welding, thermite welding and alternate current welding. So this is how welding process is evolved. Let's see classification of welding process. We can classify welding process mainly as two types: fusion welding process and solid state welding process. In fusion welding process, we melt the metal and this melted part joint the two different plates or sheet. Whereas in solid state welding, we do not melt the metal, but at semi-solidus temperature, the metal diffuse into each other and establish the coalescence. Let's see the detailed classification. So we can classify the welding process as fusion welding process and solid state welding process. Fusion welding process is further classified as gas welding process, arc welding process, thermite welding process and newer welding techniques. That is also known as a high energy rate welding techniques. Gas welding techniques are further classified as, on the base of use of gases, oxyacetylene welding, air acetylene welding and oxyhydrogen welding. Arc welding is further classified as carbon arc welding, manual metal arc welding, tungsten inert gas welding, that is referred as TIG welding, also known as the gas tungsten arc welding process, metal inert gas welding process, plasma arc welding process. Other arc welding processes are like submerged arc welding process, electroslave welding process. Hermit welding is especially used for joining the rail lines. It is a special type of welding technique. Newer welding technique is further classified as electron beam welding process and laser beam welding process. Now let's see solid state welding technique. It is classified as resistance welding process, friction welding process, ultrasonic welding process, diffusion welding process, explosive welding process and forge welding process. So here in solid state welding process, as we have discussed, we are not melting the metal, but at semi-solid temperature there is a diffusion of metal into each other because the application of pressure, and we get the joint. Resistance welding is further classified as spot welding process, seam welding process, projection welding process and butt welding process. Now let's see fusion welding process. Fusion welding process, the metal at the joint is heated to a molten state and then it is allowed to solidify. Pressure is not applied, so it is also called as non-pressure welding. When we are establishing the joint between two plates, to fill the cavity between the two plates we use the filler material. It imparts the strength. Sometimes for a small thickness we do not use the filler material. According to the requirement of the workpiece and its geometry we use the filler material. In solid state welding, the metal parts are heated to a plastic state and are pressed together to make a joint. Hence it is known as a pressure welding process, plastic welding process or solid state welding process. Here we do not use any kind of filler materials. We can further classify the welding process as autogeneous on the basis of the use of filler material, autogeneous welding process, homogeneous welding process and heterogeneous welding process. Autogeneous welding process means filler metal is not used in the welding process. Like as shown in the diagram, in resistance welding we do not use any kind of filler metal. In solid state welding we do not use filler material. It is known as the autogeneous welding process. In homogeneous welding process we use the filler material same as the parent material. It means same as the base material which we are joining. It is known as a homogeneous welding process. And heterogeneous welding process means the filler metal is different than the parent materials. Like in process of brazing and soldering we use the different filler material compared to parent materials. So in this way we can classify the welding process. There are many types of different welding techniques are available.